Upgrading the exhaust note is a must-have on any performance vehicle, so we're installing Magnaflow's Turn-Down Cat-Back exhaust kit on our EcoBoost. For removing the stock exhaust, only the muffler and tailpipe need to be removed, although we also removed the resonator at this point as well to make the removal of the muffler easier. We then reinstalled the resonator to the truck's downpipe to use with the Magnaflow kit. After the resonator, the inlet and extension pipe can be installed. Next is the muffler and turn-down exhaust tip. Lastly, tighten all of the bolts and clamps on the kit, and the install is completed.